Hey, if you wonder how you can count steps on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, so first of all, I want to mention that this device starts counting your steps all the time. There's like all time counting every step because when you go for the health option, you can actually find the steps that you actually make today. You can check your active time, and it's just simply making this measurement every time. But if you want to make it like manually and start measuring, you can still do this by going into the health application. There we go. Now we can go for the workout, and you can actually turn on, for example, the base walking exercise. So now you just have to wait until it starts, and now it just start measuring your duration, distance, steps, the calories, average speed, and also the average heart rate and the maximum heart rate. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.